Hello, welcome to the Sonics Art World. Here I teach how to draw portraits, both charcoal pencil, any type of artwork. If it's your first time, subscribe or follow for more so that you won't miss out. And I urge you all to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss anything. Alright, let's go to the work. Doing this during this work, I enjoy every bit about this work. The highlights, the skin tone, and the white gray hair that really interests me while painting this amazing artwork. What interests me more about this work was the action, the action about the face, the squeeze, and the teeth. It really inspired me. So carrying my pencil and my charcoal and my pastel to express my feeling was one of the best movement. I enjoy every bit of the whole thing. So after I'm done with the face, trying to work on the cup, as you can see. Yes, so please, I urge you to stay tuned so that you don't miss what's to the end, so that you don't miss anything out. And this is our first time to come across this channel page. I, I urge you to subscribe or follow for more. So that here I teach how to draw portraits so that you don't miss anything else or you have any relations that are interested in drawing. You can link them up so that they can watch my tutorial here so that they can learn more. Alright, so I just want to share with you and know about your opinion about my artwork. Do well to give me a comment what you think of it, like and share for more. I sincerely thank you for your time and your support. Alright, so I was done with the face and the cap. So it's about the clothes that I'm working at right now, as you can see. So wonderful. So I'm just trying to detail it out. Alright, it's crazy and wonderful, right? Yes. Eh, so this is what you see at the Sonics Art World. Alright, thank you for your support. You can share it for more. Thank you. Watch my tutorial here so that they can learn more. Alright, so I just want to share with you and know about your opinion about my artwork. Do well to give me a comment what you think of it, like and share for more. I sincerely thank you for your time and your support. Alright.